You want to expand?
Yes,
Yeah.
I can expand later on. That I can have more space to do more, because even these boxes that have in these boxes that we have in frame, and these frame should have been wet, because if they're wet, then the wire is gonna rot. So these boxes should be really into a place where they cover up.
So you need a little.
Yeah, so I'm gonna make more space.
Is there a purpose for all this stuff?
No,
or is
those
it just...
those tufts are waste. So
Okay.
what I do, I dump them or I burn them.
Okay. All right. So, is your production, do you have more could you sell more if you had more boxes?
Yeah, what happened?
Do you have too much honey?
No, I don't have too much honey, and I never have too much honey.
Okay, so...
in every year, more honey seems to be needed more than more.
Really?
And I try to sell my honey at a good level, so I don't have any problem.
So you know other people's prices?
Well, I know other people's prices. We all at times, if we even don't associate, most of the time it work by the buyer, they work at one level. If they're gonna pay you $2, they will tell you that the rest of the person is doing $2. So you say, okay, $2 too. You know, understand? Right. So if they go up, you go up, and if they go down, you go down. That's how I know it go. You understand?
Yeah,
Nobody
you know
fight against any one price. So when the buyer come to me, I tell him and I ask him the price. He tell me what the price is going for, and I say, okay, let's work on that price. That's the whole.
And because you have that price in your head, saying that's what I want.
Yes, and that's the kind of price going around. So you're gonna work with the price that people are selling for. So you work the same price. So if the price is high, you're gonna sell high, and if the price is low, you're gonna sell low. You know, that's the way how I see it.
Supply and demand is...
Yes. And the demand for honey is very strong. A lot of honey always needed. But it's just to have a balance. We have selling the honey, and I think that would work for the market, because you can't use the demands to sell honey. That won't work. So you will always be pushing the price too far because of the demands, and that will crush things. You understand?
Right. Yeah. You gotta keep demand high.
Yeah. You gotta keep the price at a good level, wherein, you understand, your stuff can sell and it won't hold up in the supermarket. So if you try to push the price too fast or too hard, then in the supermarket you're going to have a problem, because the person who buy from you, and when he sold it to the supermarket and they put their price on it, you're going to have a problem, because the buyer going to say that the price is too high, so it's going to move slow. You know, so why I say you can't use the demands. A lot of people want to use the demands. Oh, I have a lot of demands. I have to sell my honey, such and so dear, and you know that don't really work. Why I know that it don't work, because I see what's going on in the market.
So if a honey maker around here is like desperate to get rid of his honey, that makes you mad, because, right?
Yeah, because if the honey is on the market from last year till this year, then you got to slow down production. You're gonna slow down the sale. That production sale is gonna slow down. The sale is not going to move fast, because you still have those old honeys still there, don't move in.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So that's the real thing, as you ask about how the honey production really move. That's the thing I see in the market. If you push the price too fast, and then now it not selling very fast in the supermarket, however it's selling, then there's going to be a problem coming in the new season. Yeah. Because the old honey is still there. So that's what I see. So we just have to keep the price on a good level, and that's how it can work, as you talk about selling of honey.
Yeah. All right, so let's walk back here and check out what's going on.